Welcome to the English Hour.
Hello, everyone. I'm Dylan.
And I'm Chantel. Today we have a very useful topic for you.
Yes, we are talking about English for the airport.
Traveling can be stressful, but knowing some English phrases can make it much easier.
Exactly. So let's learn some easy travel English. Are you ready?
Okay, Dylan, let's start. We arrive at the airport. First, we go to the check-in desk.
Right. The check-in desk. What is the first thing we say?
Usually, the person at the desk will greet you. They might say, "Hello, where are you flying to today?"
Ah, okay. And I can answer, I am flying to London.
Perfect. Then they will ask for your passport. They will say, "Can I see your passport, please?"
Can I see your passport, please? So I give them my passport and say, here you are.
Yes, "Here you are" is a very polite and common phrase.
Mm-hmm. What about my bags?
Good question. They will ask, "Are you checking any bags?"
And if I have one bag to check in?
You can say, "Yes, just this one." Or if you have two bags, "Yes, these two bags."
Okay, yes, just this one. What if I only have a small bag to carry with me?
That is called a carry-on. You can say, "No, I only have a carry-on."
A carry-on. Got it.
Then the agent will weigh your checked bag. They might ask you to put it on the scale. Please place your bag on the scale.
Okay, and then they give me my boarding pass, right?
Exactly. They will say, "Here is your boarding pass."
My boarding pass, that is a very important document.
It is. It has your flight information, your seat number, the gate number, and the boarding time.
Seat number, gate number, boarding time. Okay.
You can also ask for a specific seat.
Oh, how do I do that?
You can say, "Can I have a window seat, please?"
A window seat. I like window seats.
Me too. Or you can ask for an aisle seat. "Can I have an aisle seat, please?"
An aisle seat is the seat next to the walkway.
That's right. So let's review. At the check-in desk,
I say where I am flying to.
right?
I give them my passport.
Mm-hmm.
I tell them about my bags.
Yes.
And I get my boarding pass, I can also ask for a window or an aisle seat.
Perfect. You are ready for check-in.
Okay, Chantel, I have my boarding pass. What is next?
Next is security, or the security check.
Right. This is where they check my bags for safety.
Exactly. First, you will need to show your boarding pass and passport again. An officer might say, "Boarding pass and passport, please?"
Okay, so I show them both.
Yes. Then you put your bags on a conveyor belt. They go through an X-ray machine.
I see. And my carry-on bag too?
Yes, your carry-on bag, your coats, and any big electronic items.
Like my laptop.
Yes, the officer will say, "Please take your laptop out of your bag."
Take your laptop out of your bag. Okay, I should remember that.
You also need to take off your belt and sometimes your shoes. You put them in a plastic bin or a tray.
A plastic bin. Okay.
They might also ask you about liquids. They might ask, "Do you have any liquids?"
Liquids, like water.
Yes, water, perfume, lotion. There are rules about liquids. Usually, they must be in small bottles, under 100 milliliters.
Right, so if they ask, I can say no liquids, or yes, just these small bottles.
Perfect. After you put everything in the bins, you walk through a metal detector.
And if it beeps?
Don't worry. The officer might ask you to step aside. They might say, "Please raise your arms," and use a handheld scanner.
Okay, that's not too scary.
Not at all. They're just doing their job to keep everyone safe. Once you're clear, you can collect your bags and belongings.
Great. So at security, show my passport and boarding pass, put my things in a bin, and walk through the scanner.
You got it. Simple. Okay, we are through security. Now what, Dylan?
Now, I need to find my gate.
Exactly. Look at your boarding pass. It will say the gate number. For example, gate B27.
Gate B27, so I follow the signs for gates.
That's right. Airports have big signs everywhere. They're easy to follow.
And what if I can't find my gate?
You can ask someone for help. You can go to an information desk and ask, "Excuse me, can you tell me where gate B27 is?"
Excuse me, can you tell me where gate B27 is? That's a great phrase.
Yes, very useful. Or you can ask any airport staff.
Okay, so I find my gate, then I just wait?
Yes, you wait for your boarding time. The boarding time is also on your boarding pass.
Right.
You can listen for announcements. For example, you might hear, "Now boarding flight BA 249 to London at gate B27.
Now boarding. That means it's time to get on the plane?
Yes, they will also announce which rows can board. For example, we are now boarding rows 30 to 40.
So I need to check my seat number to know when it is my turn.
Correct. When it is your turn, you go to the gate desk. You show your boarding pass and passport one more time.
Okay, and then on the plane.
Almost. You walk down a short bridge called the jet bridge, and then you are on the plane.
Fantastic. This is getting exciting.
So you are on the airplane. The first thing you need to do is find your seat.
My seat number is on my boarding pass, for example, 15A.
Exactly. You look for the row number 15 and the seat letter A. A is usually the window seat.
Great, I found my seat. What about my carry-on bag?
You can put your carry-on bag in the overhead bin. That's the storage space above the seats.
Overhead bin. Okay, or under the seat in front of me.
Yes, if it is a small bag, you can put it under the seat in front of you.
Okay, now I'm in my seat. The flight attendant comes to me. What do they say?
A flight attendant is the person who helps you on the plane. They are very friendly. They might say, "Hello, welcome aboard."
And I can say hello or thank you.
Yes. During the flight, you might need something. You can ask a flight attendant for help.
How do I get their attention?
There is a call button above your seat. You can press it. Or if they are walking by, you can say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me. Okay, and what can I ask for?
You might be cold. You can say, "Excuse me, can I have a blanket, please?"
A blanket. Good idea. Planes can be cold.
Or maybe you are thirsty. "Can I have some water, please?"
Can I have some water, please? Simple enough.
They will also serve food and drinks. They might come by and ask, "Chicken or pasta?"
And I can just say chicken, please, or pasta, please.
That's it. Or they might ask, "Anything to drink?"
I can say orange juice, please, or coffee, please.
You're a natural, Dylan. One more thing. Before landing, you might need to fill out a landing card or a customs form.
Oh, right. What if I need a pen?
You can ask a flight attendant, "Excuse me, could I borrow a pen?"
Could I borrow a pen? Perfect.
So, we have covered a lot today, from check-in to being on the plane.
Yes. Let's do a very quick review of some key phrases.
Good idea. At check-in?
I am flying to London. And can I have a window seat, please?
Great. At security?
You will hear, please take your laptop out of your bag.
Right, and you just follow their instructions. At the gate?
You will hear an announcement like, now boarding flight BA 249 to London.
Exactly. And on the plane?
You can ask, excuse me, can I have a blanket, please? I think I am ready for my next trip.
Wonderful. And to all our listeners, we hope this helps you too. Practice these phrases.
Yes, the more you practice, the more confident you will feel.
That's all the time we have for today on the English Hour.
Thanks for listening. Join us next time for more English learning.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.